In the vast expanse of eternity, a mystery remains hidden from the eyes of man, sealed within the archives of the heavenly realm. Behold, a massive ancient scroll, resting in the right hand of him who sits upon the throne, bound tightly by 7 wax seals. The Apostle John looks on, his heart heavy with sorrow, weeping because no man in heaven or earth was found worthy to open the book. But one of the elders saith, Weep not. Behold, the Lion of the tribe of Judah hath prevailed to open the book and its seals. Then appears the Lamb, having 7 horns and 7 eyes, standing as it had been slain, taking the scroll with divine authority. The first seal is broken. Thunder echoes through the heavens as a white horse leaps forward, its rider carrying a bow and a crown. He goes forth conquering and to conquer, offering a deceptive peace that masks the impending storms of judgment coming upon the world. The second seal breaks, and there goes out another horse that is red. Power is given to him to take peace from the earth. With a great sword in hand, he ignites the fires of conflict, and men begin to slay one another as harmony vanishes into blood. When the third seal opens, a black horse emerges. Its rider holds a pair of balances, signaling a time of scarcity and economic ruin, a measure of wheat for a penny, and 3 measures of barley for a penny. The scales of justice turn into the scales of survival. The fourth seal is torn away. Behold, a pale horse, and his name that sat on him was Death, and hell followed with him. Power is given unto them over the 4th part of the earth, to kill with sword, hunger, death, and the beasts of the earth. At the 5th seal, the vision shifts beneath the heavenly altar. The souls of the martyrs cry out, How long, O Lord, holy and true? White robes are given unto every one of them. They are told to rest for a little season until their fellow servants are fulfilled. The 6th seal is opened, and lo, there was a great earthquake. The sun becomes black as sackcloth, and the moon becomes as blood. The stars of heaven fall unto the earth, even as a fig tree casteth her untimely figs when she is shaken of a mighty wind. The heaven departs as a scroll when it is rolled together, and every mountain and island are moved out of their places. Kings and great men hide themselves in the dens and rocks, crying for the mountains to fall on them and hide them from the Lamb. When he opens the 7th seal, there is silence in heaven about the space of half an hour. A heavy, pregnant pause before the trumpets. 7 angels stand before God, and to them are given 7 trumpets. The environmental judgments of the earth are about to begin. The first angel sounds. Hail and fire mingled with blood are cast upon the earth. A 3rd part of the trees and grass is burnt. The second angel sounds. A great mountain burning with fire is cast into the sea, turning a 3rd of the waters into blood. The 3rd angel sounds. A great star falls from heaven, burning like a lamp. It falls upon the rivers, and its name is wormwood. The 4th angel sounds. The 3rd part of the sun, moon, and stars are smitten. Darkness falls upon the day and the night. The 5th angel sounds. A star falls to earth with the key to the bottomless pit. Locusts emerge like smoke to torment the world. The 6th angel sounds. The 4 angels bound in the river Euphrates are loosed, leading an army of 200 million riders. Yet, despite these plagues, the rest of the men repented not of the works of their hands. They continued in their defiance. The timeline moves toward its climax. The seals are broken, the trumpets have sounded, and the final bowls of wrath await the world. Prepare your hearts, for the great day of his wrath is come, and who shall be able to stand?